In this video, we have to simplify the algebraic expression. In order to do this, we need to use two different properties. The first thing we have to do is use the distributive property. After we use the distributive property, we will have to combine like terms, and then after we complete both of those, we will have a simplified algebraic expression. So the first thing we want to do is use the distributive property. So we're going to distribute the fraction -8/9 into the binomial 4x minus 6. So we're going to distribute to the two terms that are inside the parentheses. So I'm going to rewrite this as -8/9 times 4x over 1. And the reason why I put 4x over 1 is to remind us that since we are multiplying by the fraction -8/9, we're going to multiply our numerators and then multiply our denominators. Then I'm going to have a minus sign because we have a difference inside the parentheses. And then I have -8/9 again being multiplied this time by 6 over 1. Then I can continue with the plus 4/9 at the end of the expression. So when I multiply -8/9 times 4x over 1, I just multiply my numerators and multiply my denominators. So that leaves me with -32x over 9. Now, when I do the -8/9 times 6 over 1, I can divide out some common factors. So 6 over 9, I notice that both of those are divisible by 3. So I can divide out the common factor of 3. So really all I have to do in my numerator is multiply 8 times 2, and then in the denominator multiply 3 times 1. This also becomes an addition symbol because I'm minusing a negative. So that's going to become plus. So I'm going to get plus 16 over 3 and then plus the 4/9. I've finished distributing, now I'm ready to combine like terms. The first term, the -32x over 9, is a variable term. The last two fractions are constants, so I can only combine 16/3 plus 4/9. In order to do that, I need a common denominator. So I have -32x over 9 plus 3 over 3 times 16/3, and then plus the 4 over 9. So I have to multiply 16/3 by 3 over 3 before I can combine it with the 4/9. So I have -32x over 9 plus 48 over 9 plus 4/9. Now I'm ready to combine those constant fractions. So 48 over 9 plus 4 over 9 is going to give me 52 over 9. So I have -32x over 9 plus 52 over 9. Now, when our coefficient of our variable term is a fraction, even if it's improper, we leave it. So we can leave this as -32x over 9, but I can turn 52/9 into the mixed number 5 and 7/9 since it's just a constant. So either one of these expressions is an appropriate answer.